Jeez.
Ruffles, calm down. Okay, okay. Oh my God. Ruffles. Okay, I'm gonna make the bad dog go away.
Send it to Bob Saget.
Here, let me get rid of him, Ruffles. Here we go. There he goes.
Oh, yay!
No more bad dog.
No more bad dog.
He went away.
Oh, he's